Hey everyone, and welcome to our booth here at Automate 2022. My name is Corey Kress, and I'm one of the solution architects here at ADLINK. And what we're showcasing here today is our ADLINK Amazon Lookout for Vision Starter Kit. So what this kit enables you to do is quickly connect the cameras for your machine vision projects that you have going on in your industrial spaces. Begin to stream that data using ADLINK Edge directly to your AWS S3 bucket that you can then take those images and plug into Lookout for Vision to then stream those models after they're made back down to the edge so that you're immediately getting inference results based on what you've trained it on in your facility. In this case, what we're showing is chips being faulty or good. But you could have that on anything in your plant. It could be your machine quality products. It could be scratches or dents in a product. You name it.
Hi, my name is Fred Ligori. I am a Senior Technical Program Manager working with Amazon Web Services, representing the Lookout for Vision managed service for automatic quality inspection at the edge. Amazon Lookout for Vision is a machine learning service hosted in the cloud, particularly tailored towards defect detection for quality inspection in industrial use cases. This year, we launched the capability to not only train your model in the cloud and deploy it in the cloud, but also deploy it back down to the edge. So we partnered with ADLINK to come up with the Amazon Lookout for Vision Starter Kit such that we can accelerate adoption and ease of use within factory floors. So as Corey mentioned, using the ADLINK Starter Kit, you're able to start streaming images directly to an S3 bucket. And to utilize those images, you would log into your AWS console and notice that the media library on the DLAP device synchronizes to an S3 bucket, showing your normal and anomalous images. From there, you log into the Amazon Lookout for Vision service. You highlight your project, and you can you can visualize your data set that's automatically been labeled based on how the images were synchronized between the edge and the cloud. Training a model is as simple as taking your pre-annotated images, clicking the Train Model button, and after a period of time based on the number of images you've uploaded, your model training will be complete, and within the console, you can get statistics on how long it took your model to train and the performance metrics for your model for a user to evaluate how well it performs the inspection that you've required. Based on the performance metrics to have met your satisfaction, you can run that model in the cloud by leveraging the traditional API, or as of this year, you can package the model by clicking on Use Model, Create Model Packaging Job. That allows you to download that model as a Greengrass component and deploy it to your ADLINK Edge device.
So as Fred mentioned, once you've built that model in the cloud and are ready to deploy to the edge, at ADLINK we have a tool called Profile Builder. What that allows you to do is build this machine's profile and add all the connectors that you're going to need to complete out your industrial project. So for instance, if you need that model, once it triggers anomaly, to talk to a PLC via OBCUA, then you would add that connector, configure it, and immediately start have that communication flowing. And we enable this all with ADLINK Edge. It's ADLINK's platform to be able to streamline that data flow. For any more information on this demo kit, please visit adlinktech.com, and we will be happy to give you all the materials you need, walk you through more videos about how this works, and contact you to our sales teams who can then walk you through it further.